Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to settings. Now you have to scroll down and click on Google Assistant, then click on Hey Google and Voice Match, and then click here to enable Hey Google. Now you have to click on Retrain Voice Match Model and click on, now you have to say, OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, help me plan a dinner party. Now click next, and then click back, and click on lock screen. Then click yes, I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. Now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. OK Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.